Hi everyone, it's Miss Janine here, ready to play some recorder with you. Today we're going to work on a brand new One Bird song. We know two One Birds already. Do you think that you could play them with me? The first One Bird that we know goes, one bird flying by, with Mr. Four. Do you remember him? He's got a green bird, a red bird, and then a green bird. Do you think we could play it? Let's try. Go ahead and find your fingers. Land your rocket on your pillow, and let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go. How did that feel? Did it feel good? If that felt good, maybe we can look to see who else knows how to move. One bird. There's Mr. Six flying by. Could we play the same song? But now Mr. Four needs to take a break and Mr. Six is going to do the job. Do you think you can do it? Okay, find those fingers. Green, green, red, green with Mr. Six. Land your rocket. Boink. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice work. Give me a high five. 1, 2, 3. You did it. Wow. Okay, if you remember that pattern, green, green, red, green, then we have to try my One Bird song on some new notes. Our new note is called A, and it's way up here. Just with 2 fingers, even Mr. Three has to go up. Could you send me a green bird just with an A? My turn. Your turn, let me hear it. Ready, go. Yeah, very good. Now, when we play our whole song, Mr. Four always has to stay up. We'll play 1, pick him up. Bird, put him down. Flying by. Here comes a green bird. I'm going to send it to you. My turn. Pick him up. Then put him down. You send it back to me. Ready and go. Good for you. Do you think that you could play 2 in a row? Let's see if you can do it. Here goes my turn. 2 in a row. Your turn. Ready, go. Nice work. Good for you. Wow. So now all we have to do is play the whole thing. Do you think you could do it with me? We'll do a green bird, then another one, a red bird, and last but not least, the green bird. Let's do it. Find those fingers. Good. Pick up Mr. Four. He stays up the whole time. And land your rocket. Good for you. two, together, go. Pick them up. Put them down. Here comes a red bird. And freeze. Nice work, my friends. Hey, if that was tricky for you, be sure to go back and re-watch the video again and again and again until it feels good. But if you're thinking, that was pretty easy, you should probably check out my video about your brand new song called Cuckoo. Okay? Happy practicing. I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.